Reducing belly fat involves a combination of cardio, strength training, and a healthy diet. While spot reduction, losing fat from a specific area, isn't possible, these exercises help burn overall body fat, including belly fat. 1. Cardio exercises, do 4 to 5 times a week. Running or brisk walking. Cycling, jump rope, swimming. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, e.g. a 30-second sprint plus 30 seconds rest, repeat 10-15 minutes too. Strength core training, 3 to 4 times a week. Planks, start with 30 seconds, increase over time. Russian twists leg, raises mountain climbers, bicycle crunches. 3. Full body workouts, burpees, squats, lunges, push-ups. 4. Yoga flexibility, boat pose, Navasana, bridge pose. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, bonus. Tips: drink plenty of water, avoid sugar and refined carbs. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Track progress weekly, not daily.